We are starting the algorithm for insertion in this to the stack, which is called the push. So here we can see that algorithm means these are subset of lines which will tell us that we have to perform the operation push means insertion into the stack. So as we are discussing about the stack, first of all I am taking a stack as the example. So this one is a stack, and this stack we are having some particular values, just like their indexes are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means 5 values can come inside the stack. So here the first thing we have said is stack. So stack we already know, it is given to us top. That is very interesting. Top is that particular pointer which is pointing to the maximum element which are placed. Let us suppose that we are having some elements into the stack. Suppose we have inserted 7, then we have inserted 6, then we have inserted 5. Now top will be pointing to the top element. So here now top is pointing to 3, means at the 3 index we are having the element. So above the top we are having the free things. So that is called the top. Next one we are having is the max stack. So talking about the max stack, it is the maximum value which can be taken into the stack. Maximum value doesn't mean the value which we can take. Maximum means the maximum elements that can be taken. So this one is the max stack. And max stack is pointing to 5. Means beyond the 5 we cannot take the values. That's why it is take the max stack. Next one we are having the item. Item is that specific thing which we want to insert into the stack. Let us suppose we are having the item which is 9. So we have to insert the 9 inside the stack. So this is our condition. So these are the things that will be given. Means a stack. The top means how many elements are already filled. Max stack means how many maximum elements can be there. Item means which I want to fill. Now we are going to learn the algorithm. So algorithm says that this procedure pushes an item means 9 onto the stack. So 9 will be inserted onto the stack. First, if top is equal to max stack, so first of all I am considering the case 1. So this one is our case 1. Let us suppose that we are having a stack. Now we are assuming that there are all the elements. Let us suppose the elements are 7, 6, 5, 3, 12. So these are the elements which are present to the stack. Now we already know the number of elements which are there into the stack is called the top. So the top is pointing to the 5. At the same place we know that the max stack already pointing to the highest value. Max stack is pointing to 5 because we know that the maximum size of the array or the stack, that is called the max stack. That means how many maximum elements can be stored. So here 5 elements can be stored, so max stack is pointing to 5. Now that 5 elements are placed, that's why top is also 5. So we can say that at this position top and the max stack both are pointing to 5. So in such case we have the first condition, if top is equal to max stack means both are equal, and that is only the case when the stack is full. Then we will print overflow. Overflow is the word taken from the tank. Just like in the tank the water is filled, we are going to fill the water inside the tank and the water is filled, then what will happen? It will come out from the tank. That means the extra water cannot be stored. So print overflow. Overflow means there is no space for filling the water. Similarly, there is no space for filling the extra value inside the stack. That's why we are saying overflow. Means you cannot fill any other element inside the stack and return. Return means just go out from this program. The program is over. This algorithm is over. That's why they are saying. So if top and max stack are equal, that is only the case when the stack is full. Then we will say overflow and return. So further lines will not be executed. So in the case 1, these lines will not be executed and directly return. Now I am taking the case 2. Now I am taking the case 2. In the case 2 we are taking that the whole stack is empty and the max stack is pointing to the 5. Max stack means how many maximum elements can be stored, which are 5, but this time the stack is empty. Whenever the stack is empty, then top will be the 1 minus value where it is the starting. Stack is starting from value 1, so top is pointing to 1 less than the value, means 0. Top is down, down means it is below the value. So top is not pointing to any of the places from 1 to 5 but 1 down. So now in that case, how the program will work, now we have to see. So case number 2, the stack is empty. Now set top is equal to top plus 1. So the first line here is stack top is equal to top plus 1. The first line is not executed. The reason is that because it will check the top is equal to max stack and top and max stack are not equal. So then part will not run and it will go to the line number 2. Set top is equal to top plus 1. So first of all, the top value will be 1 now. So this is the new value of top, which is 1. So now the top is pointing to the 1. Then we are going to the next line. Set stack top. Stack top means stack is like an array and top means 1. Just like we say A1 means array name is A and 1 is the index value. Similarly, stack top means stack 1. I am talking about this stack, this particular stack and this one. That means I am talking about this particular block. So stack top is equal to item. And what is the item? The item is 9. So that means item is placed here. So successfully we have inserted one element into the stack and afterward it is saying return. So now the meaning is that if I have to insert some element, means push some element, then first of all we will check if the top and max stack are equal. If the stack is full, it will return. Otherwise, it will increment it and put one value. Now I am going to see the case 3. Case 3 is the first example which we have opted. Let us suppose that we are having few elements inside the stack. Case number 1 was stack was full. Case number 2, stack was empty. Case number 3, there are few elements into the stack. Now, first of all, it will say if top is equal to max stack. Obviously, top is pointing to 3 and max stack is pointing to 5. Both are not equal. So then part will not run, it will come down. Set top is equal to top plus 1. So top will be incremented by 1. So 3 plus 1, that is 4. So now the top is pointing to 4. Then we are saying to the next line, set stack top, means we are talking about the stack, this stack we are talking about, and the top means we are talking about the 4. So stack 4, that means this particular block we are talking about is equal to item, and item is 9. So this 9 is successfully inserted inside that. So we have taken 3 cases and successfully we have inserted the element which is called push. So this is the algorithm for pushing the element into the stack.